Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce a new feature here at FlowHunt. You can now schedule and crawl your entire YouTube channel, using it as a data source for a chatbot. Imagine having a chatbot that knows every video on your channel by heart. I'll show you how to set it up and use this schedule in a working chatbot. First, let's see what this chatbot can do. For example, we can ask it about a specific topic, like our translator chatbot. As you can see, it pulls the correct information and even guides us step by step on creating this chatbot based on the tutorial from our YouTube channel. The chatbot uses video titles, descriptions, and most importantly, all the video content as a data source for its answers. This means you can ask it anything related to the channel. Now, let's get started with creating the chatbot. To begin, go to the Schedules tab and add a new schedule. Change the type to YouTube channel and set the frequency to your preference. The frequency determines how often the content from this channel will be crawled. Then, simply add the URL of your channel and save it to your schedules. Once the schedule is done indexing, you can start creating the flow. Head over to the My Flows tab and click on the Create Flow button. Give your flow a name and description, then continue. You'll see the template library, but since we're building the chatbot ourselves, skip this step and go straight to the canvas. Start by adding the essential components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the response generated by the language model to the user's query. Next, add the tool calling agent, which is the brain of the flow. This component will handle all processing and generation for the chatbot. Be sure to provide a prompt in the System Message section. You can find the prompt in the description below or on screen, so feel free to copy it. To enhance our tool calling agent, add the Chat History component, which makes the language model context-aware, and the LLM component if you want to change the language model. Then add the Document Retriever as a tool for the agent. Once added, go to the Schedules section in the Document Retriever settings and select your YouTube channel. And that's it. Connect the agent to the output, and you can start using your very own YouTube channel curator chatbot. If you have any questions about this flow, please feel free to contact us or leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.